Hello students, this is the fourth part of note making. Open your books, page number 149, third paragraph of the given extract. Now listen carefully. The Vat dosh is associated with air and ether, and in the body promotes. See the meaning of this word, promotes. It means support or encourage. Movement, agility. See the meaning of this word, agility. It means able to move quickly and easily. So what is the information is given here? The Vata dosh is associated with air and ether, and in the body promotes movement, agility. If there is any kind of Vata dosh in your body which is related to air and ether, it means the sky or the space in the sky. If you have this kind of problem in your body, so that problem promotes or support for agility in your movements. It means quickness or some kind of easily movement you can do by this problem or this dosh. Vata people are typically thin and light physically, dry skin, very energetic and mentally restless. So these kind of people who are related to Vata dosh, there is typically the bodily figure and mentally figure is given here. Bodily they are very thin, light physical body, their skin you can see dry skin, very energetic and mentally restless. It means they cannot stay at one place for a long time. When Vata is out of balance, there are often nervous problems. So what is the meaning of nervous? It means related to nerves. So what is nerves? See here. Say like organ of the body that carries messages between the brain and other part of the body. So, if there is imbalance in what people, so then we can see different kinds of problem in that person. Often, many times, we can see some nervous problems. It means there is unit like organ in our backbone that carries message to our brain and from brain to other parts of our body. So there we can see some kind of damage, some kind of problem in both people if there is imbalance in their body. Stress related conditions like hyperactivity. What is the meaning of hyperactivity? See here. It means abnormally or extremely active. Sleeplessness, lower back pains and headaches. If there is any kind of problem in both peoples, so we can see some problem, nervous problems, hyperactiveness, it means we can see abnormal activity or extreme activity in that person, and sleeplessness, that person will face some problem about sleeping, and lower back pain, here that person could feel some kind of pain and headaches. This kind of problem we can see in the Vata people, Vata dosh, if there is imbalance. Next paragraph. Pitta dosh is associated with fire and water. In the body, it is responsible for metabolic. See the meaning of this word, metabolic. It means the chemical processes that occur within the living organism to maintain life. So whatever we eat, and there is some chemical process happen, and then after that process we get energy to work, to read, to run. For any kind of energy we get after that digestion. So that is called metabolic. Metabolic processes and digestions. So if there is Pitta dosh, this dosh is related with fire and water. These are the elements of prana. And in the body, this Pitta dosh is responsible for metabolism, metabolic process or digestion process. Pitta characteristics, characteristic it means typical, are medium built body, fair skin, strong digestion and good mental concentration. So if any person have Pitta in his body, so that kind of person, we can see some characteristics, some specialties. Typically his body we can see medium built body. His skin could be very fair skin and his digestion system could be very strong and good mental concentration. This kind of people will have. Pitta imbalances shows up as anger and aggression and stress related conditions like gastritis. See the meaning of this word? It means inflammation of the lining of the stomach. So what is the meaning of inflammation? It means a body part. Body part, it means inner body part or outer body part become red, swollen, painful or hot. If there is any kind of condition on inner body part or outer body part that become red, there is some kind of swelling, pain, or it becomes very hot, so that is called inflammation. So inflammation on our stomach, so that is called gastritis. Ulcers, see the meaning of this word ulcer. Let me first clean this. Kind of soap. Liver problems and hypertension. See the meaning of this word hypertension. It means abnormally high blood pressure. So, if there is imbalance in pitta body, if any person have pitta or his body made by pitta, so that person, if there is imbalance in his body, so we can see that person becomes very angry. We can see aggressiveness in that person. We can see stress related conditions like some gastritis, some kind of stomach problems, ulcer from the inner part, on the inner part of his stomach, some liver problems or hypertension, it means abnormally high blood pressure. This kind of problems we can see in that person. Now the last paragraph. The kapha dosh is associated with water and earth. People characterized a kapha are generally large and heavy with more oily complexions. See the meaning of this word? It means color or color, appearance, etc., etc. of the skin. The kapha dosh is associated with water, earth. People characterized as kapha are generally large or heavy with more oily complexions. So, if there is a person have any problem related with kapha dosh, so that person particularly relate with water and earth, and there are speciality in kapha dosh. These kind of people we can see generally very large, heavy, and their skin or color of those kind of person we can see very oilish. They tend to be slow, calm and peaceful. This kind of people we can see very slow in their work, we can see very calm in their mentality, and we can see this kind of people very peaceful. Kapha disorder manifest, see the meaning of this word, manifest. It means make clear or obvious. Emotionally as greed and possessiveness, and physically as obesity. See the meaning of this word, obesity. It means grossly fat or overweight. Fatigue. See the meaning of this word, fatigue. Fatigue, it means extreme tiredness. Bronchitis, it means related, or another meaning is inflammation of the bronchial. So what is the meaning of bronchial? See here. It means related to the air passage of lungs, and sinus problems. See the meaning of this word, sinus. Sinus, it means a bodily cavity. So what is the meaning of cavity? Look at here. Cavity, it means a hollow space. So any kind of disorder in comes to people, so we can see there are some problems in this kind of people. This kind of people become very greedy. They become very possessiveness. Physically, there we can see fatness in their body. We can see tiredness in their body. We can see lungs related problems in their body, and we can see sinus related problems in this kind of people. In this way, this extract ends here. So today we are going to stop here. In the next part, we will see how we can make a tree diagram and table based on this extract. Thank you very much.